What if I told you that most investors are making the same three mistakes, and they're losing decades of potential gains because of it? Today, we're fixing that. And I'm giving you the ETF portfolio that beats 90% of investors without day trading, stock picking, or spending hours watching the market. Stay to the end because I'll reveal the exact ticker symbols, the percentages, and a free tool you can use to track it all. And trust me, once you see the numbers, you'll understand why this strategy made me start this channel in the first place. Here's the truth. Most investors think they're diversified. They own a few individual stocks, maybe a tech fund, and somehow think they've spread out the risk. But when one sector tanks, their whole portfolio goes with it. Real diversification isn't about owning more. It's about owning the right mix of assets that balance each other out while still compounding over time. Here's the portfolio that's been quietly outperforming active managers for years. It's simple, it's diversified, and it works. Total U.S. Market ETF. This is your engine. You get exposure to thousands of companies, not just the big names. Consider VTI, SCHB, or ITOT for this category. International ETF. Because 96% of the world's population is outside the U.S., ignoring global growth is a mistake. Consider VXS, IXIS, or VEA plus VWO combo, Vanguard. Bond ETF. This stabilizes everything. When stocks fall, bonds usually hold the fort. For this category, consider BND, AGG, and SCHZ. This 3 ETF setup has beaten the majority of hedge funds for over a decade. And guess what? You only need to rebalance it once or twice a year. Here's the simple breakdown most investors can use. 60% total U.S. market ETF, 30% international ETF, and 10% bond ETF. If you're younger or want more growth, bump stocks to 90% and bonds to 10%. If you want stability, 60-30-10 works beautifully. If you invest just $500 a month in this portfolio and let it compound at historical averages, you could be looking at over $1 million in under 30 years. And that's without stock picking, timing the market, or paying expensive advisors. If you want more ETF breakdowns, backtests, and portfolio builds like this, hit subscribe because I break all this down every single week. No fluff. No fear-mongering, just data. And if you want me to analyze your portfolio in a future video, drop a comment with your ETF tickers. I might feature you next.